Yamada Corporation has been a leading producer of industrial equipment since 1905 and of fluid handling products for over 65 years. As a leader in pneumatic pumping technology, Yamada is known for its innovative products, superior quality, and unmatched reliability. In this demonstration, we will go over features and benefits of Yamada's famous air-powered double diaphragm pumps. Yamada pumps have no close fitting or rotating parts, allowing the pump to handle a variety of fluids with high solids content. The air-powered motor also allows the pumps to run dry without serious extensive damage. Enabling the pumps to be self-priming are precision tolerances on the check valves. This also facilitates a high suction lift even at dry startup and with heavier fluids. Yamada pumps can run at any setting within their operating range simply by adjusting the air inlet pressure. That means one pump can fit a broad spectrum of applications. Yamada pumps can be easily transported and installed. Simply connect the air supply and liquid lines and your pump is ready for use. Discharge pressure can never exceed the air inlet pressure, so the discharge line can be closed with no damage or wear to the pump. We refer to this as deadhead. Yamada pumps are an excellent choice for shear sensitive liquids due to its displacement action. Very minimal amount of parts are in contact with the fluids. Pumps can also be submerged in liquid if you can run the exhaust line above the liquid level. Pumps are operated by compressed air, making them intrinsically safe. They contain no rotors, gears, or pistons that can easily wear over time. This means the pumps are 100% efficient until maintenance is required. What separates Yamada from the rest of the pack is our air valve technology. Yamada uses a completely non-lubricated main air valve and independent pilot mechanisms to control the air logic. As compressed air enters the pump, it is directed via the main air valve to one side or the other, depending upon the starting position of the C-spool. As the air enters the chamber, it forces the diaphragm outward. This outward momentum forces liquid out of the discharge ball valve and loads the opposite inlet ball valve. As the diaphragm travels outward, the connected diaphragm on the opposite side is pulling the diaphragm inward. When it travels a full stroke, it will contact the pilot valve, depressing it and breaking the seal to open an exhaust port. The open port allows compressed air to the exhaust from the backside of the air valve. The pressure drop produces a shift of the main air valve. This motion simply repeats on the other side. Our air valve is outside accessible for easy inspection and is completely repair friendly. Yamada air valves have the longest service life in the industry due to its lube-free design. The non-lubrication design is important because one of two things can happen when lubrication is needed. One, lubrication can be washed away by the moisture in the air, causing wearing issues. And two, moisture and particulate can coagulate and create a sandpaper effect, hence causing more wearing issues. Each air valve also contains a C-spring, helping to ensure a positive shift every time. Lastly, in the event that a stall ever does occur, every Yamada air valve has a maintenance indicator reset button. Depressing the button will shift the valve to one side, forcing the pump to reset and start pumping. Our rugged bolted construction will prevent leakage and is a registered fit. The sweeping manifold design allows for optimal flow. Our strong, powerful steel bases absorb shock without damaging the pump. Bases are an individual component and are not molded into the manifold. This minimizes the need for purchasing new manifolds when the pumps are in a harsh environment. Yamada diaphragms have been engineered to have the optimal stroke length. This maximizes diaphragm life without sacrificing performance.